Sammy, you feeding the doggies? You know that plate's full already, right? We have to do the other plate. Good job. But that plate's full. Can you give Max some food? Polo, yeah. Polo already has food, baby. Give Max some food. Look, Max is going to eat Polo's food. Yeah, food. Put some on Max's plate. Take from the bag and put it on Max's plate. There you go. Okay. I think if you do it one by one, we're going to be here all night. There you go, Max. Good job. Yeah, more. I think he wants more. I don't think that's enough. Okay, there we go. We're making progress. Good job. Yeah, he's eating. Polo, no. Polo doesn't want to eat anymore. I think only Max wants to eat. Food, yeah, it's food. Wait, you already gave Polo. You have to give some to Max. Max is not going to eat from that plate. That's Polo's plate. He only eats from his plate. There you go. Good job. Thank you. Thank you, Sammy. Eat. You don't eat that. Max eats that. There you go. See? Good. Thank you.
No more.
No more? Okay, let me watch.